Today, I'll show you how to share or download your Notta transcript in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, let's download a copy of your transcript to your device. Open Notta, navigate to the recording, and click the download icon in the top right corner. A window will pop up where you can choose your preferred file format. Options include a text file, a doc file, PDF, Excel, and SRT. Before downloading, you can also customize what's included by using the advanced options. For example, you can choose to include timestamps, speaker names, or even images if they were part of the transcript. Once everything looks good, hit download, and your transcript will be saved to your computer, ready for further editing. Need to download multiple transcripts at once? No problem. On your dashboard, select up to 10 recordings by checking their boxes, then click the download icon to export them all in one go. Apart from downloading, Notta also makes it easy to share your transcript with others. Just open the recording you wish to share and click the Share button in the upper right corner. Toggle on Public Sharing, then copy the link. Anyone with the link can view the transcript and listen to the audio. For added security, you can set a password for the shared link. Toggle on the Add Password option, and Notta will generate a link with a password. Click Copy Link and Password to share both with your team. Sometimes you might only need to share a particular part of your transcript. To do this, simply highlight the sections by dragging your cursor over them. Then click the Share button that appears. Notta will generate a shareable link for just the selected options. Click Copy Link and send it to your recipients. This is perfect for highlighting key moments from a meeting, interview, or lecture without wasting time. And that's it. Now you know how to share and download your transcripts with Notta with ease. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.